I challenge Congressman Joel Chua to investigate himself. Sinabi ko na sa inyo may gobyerno sa lungsod ng Manila and it is called City Government of Manila, not City Congress of Manila.
Questions are mounting over the building projects of Manila 3rd District Congressman Joel Chua, with reports of structures built on sidewalks and others allegedly lacking building permits, sparking calls for accountability.
He's a lawyer. Pwede ba magpatayo ng building ng walang building permit? Ngayon nila imbestigahan sa Quadcom ang sarili nila. Congressman Joel Chua, pwede bang mag-demolish ng walang demolition permit?
Should Congressman Joel Chua be held liable for the questionable projects in his district? Comment down below now.